Hi, my name is Jade Payne, and today I'm talking about adopting from a shelter versus buying a new pet from a store. I'm going to educate you a little bit on adopting and what the benefits of adopting are. Around 6.5 million pets are killed each year at shelters due to not being adopted. They're euthanized each day because no one is wanting to buy a shelter pet. Rather than buying a dog or cat from a potential puppy mill, we all should adopt our new friends at a shelter or an animal rescue. When you adopt your new family member, you not only give the animal you chose a new life and a chance to be happy, but also there is space in the shelter for other animals that will have a chance to find forever homes with new and loving families. Of the 3 million cats and dogs that are euthanized in shelters each year, approximately 2.4 million, which is 80%, are healthy and treatable and could have been adopted into new homes. When you adopt, you are helping with space and shelters for other animals that are in need of loving and caring homes, and taking them away from their overcrowded homes and possibly off the streets if they are strays. Adopting not only can bring happiness to your animal, but to your whole family and bring a chance to change everyone's lives for the better. Adopting your next pet can help the fight on trying to end animal cruelty and puppy mills that are operating in America. It's not just puppy mills, but many other animals as well. Most puppies that come from these mills are birthed by sick and stressed out moms, snatched from their litters as early as 8 weeks of age, and loaded onto trucks for the hours-long drive to the next stop in the supply chain, where they are kept in a warehouse with hundreds of other puppies, many of them sick with respiratory problems or infections of the eyes and ears. Then again, with dozens of other animals, they suffer for the 1 or 2 day drive to distant states for a profit. The Humane Society of the United States also estimates that around half of the 2 million puppies that are bred in mills are sold in stores around America these days, and the rest of these puppies are trafficked online through breeders. The statistics are staggering of the level of inhumane treatment of these animals. They are left in cages, covered in their own filth, not fed or watered well, and with very little veterinarian treatment. They are purely for profit of the owner of the mill. When you adopt, use your wallet to say no to puppy mills and create an opportunity to help inform others about your choice. Most people that are searching for their next pet often don't adopt due to the lack of knowledge on the system and the benefits that can come with adopting their next pet. Many shelters and adoption drives often have reasonable fees ranging from $50 to $300, which is a significant decrease from the cost in shops and breeders, which can be anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 for purebred animals that you can also find at local shelters. And your adoption fees help your local shelter to increase capacity and help to save more pets in need of recovery from the situation they have been suffering with. As the world needs to become more aware of the puppy mill industry, and we help to spread the word about adopt, don't shop, people definitely need to keep in mind certain things about adopting. All shelters have very qualified staff to help in making the decision on what animal to take home and is right for you. Staff can easily assess your living needs and match you with a perfect new friend. Awareness is the key. It is well understood that the appeal of going shopping for a new pet is like we shop for everything else, going to the store. However, we need to get the message across to people that a pet shouldn't be returnable. Another benefit of adopting from a shelter is the history of the pet is available in most cases, and that can also save in a lot of heartache and possible abandonment of the pet. If a family buys a pet and it doesn't act the way the family thinks it should, then they are likely to surrender it to a shelter and thus begin the life cycle of a brand new shelter pet. So, in conclusion, by adopting a new pet, you can help an animal in need find a happy new forever home. Your pet will also be guaranteed as healthy. You will know its temperament and exactly what it needs from its new family. Often these animals are trained, and you can say it's a new animal that you handpicked yourself. While keeping in mind some important facts about adopting your new pet, You can help in the fight against puppy mills and other animals and help change the misconceptions about adopting.